The secret about the dollar exchange market rate is what I am going to be spilling for you guys in this video. In a lot of persons, this video is not basically for content creators only. It is for also those businessmen that deal with dollar exchanges, especially if you are new in the system and you don't really know how it works. So I am going to be sharing the secret with you guys. All right. So if you're actually into the dollar system, the pound sterling, the euro, it is it is not new before now that the black market price is kind of more favorable compared to the normal official price. And one thing you need to know is that in as much as we all know that the black market rate is more favorable compared to the official price, you need to know that they have rules. The black market have rules. They have rules and regulation. I don't know if the rule actually apply to them generally, or it actually um confided in a particular state in which they work or something. All right, so there's what we call low denomination and we have high denomination as well. So if you are actually going to a black market to kind of exchange your dollar to naira, there are some things you need to know. They do not accept low denomination. Please, before you just judge, just calm down, let me explain to you. Like, low denomination that is below 100, okay, they are not going to pay you like they will not pay you the way they should pay you. I don't know if that is their rule, okay, but I don't know, but that is just it. So if you are going, the least amount that you should kind of have with you should be $100. That is if you truly want them to pay you using the current exchange rate. Else they are going to be paying you lower, okay. But if you do not have the patience or whatever, and maybe that is the only last money you have on you that is not up to $100, you can probably go ahead, but you should know that they are not going to be paying you with the normal rate if you don't have the high denomination from 100 and above. When I'm talking about $100, I'm not limiting it to only dollars. I'm also talking about euro. I'm talking about pound sterling. Okay, so let it be 100. Else they are going to be paying you lesser compared to the official price. And also when you're going, don't, except if you've worked there before. Though this video is basically for the newbies, those people that have not experienced such before. That is the people I'm kind of making this video for. Except if you've not had any experience at all. Like, just if you're going, just make sure you prepare your mind for market survey, in the sense that you cannot only see one aboki there now. One aboki cannot be there. There are always many. So when you go to one particular office and you discover their rate, your rate is not favorable to you, you just go to another one and make sure you strike a deal. Like, make them know that you're coming back, so that you don't start jumping from one particular person to another. Though it is good, though they are all market surveys and you get to know which one is best and which one is best for you. Then number two thing you need to know is that you should not make them feel like you're new in the system. Like normally you are new, but don't go there and start making them feel like you're new. Because one thing I know about human beings is that once they know your weakness, they are going to use it against you. So you got to shine your eyes. You have to make them know that, come on, I've been in this business for a very long time. Do you know? Something like that, yeah. So, like, because they will cheat you if you don't open your eyes. That's just the truth. They are going to cheat you and still give you change. They will sell you and give you change if there's any word like that. So you need to shine your eyes when you're going there. Like, make them understand. Make them understand that, guy, I know this thing. Make una not try cheat me. Especially for people like us that have small body, they will not be thinking, now small pikin they follow talk. All right, now, so that is just one thing you need to go. You need to know about that. And also like some people, maybe you because you're not kind of amount, you'll not be working carefully on the road. No, just work casually. It is by the time you start behaving and moving fishy that people will be suspecting. Just work as if it's a normal nothing. You cannot be carrying big this, nobody will know that, hey, this one is carrying money. You understand? So these are just the thing I felt the need to come and share. So if you're going to any dollar market or you're going to any black market, make sure you have from $100 or $100 or 100 euro, 100 pound sterling and above. Else you will not get they are not going to exchange you with the normal rate or at that time. That rate change every day. For those of you that don't know, the amount that dollar cost yesterday cannot be the same that it costs today. So you need to get that. If it increased yesterday, there is probability it can decrease today, and there's probability it can increase. It can increase, it can decrease, and it can increase. So don't always expect yourself to have the normal way, the normal rate. Probably your friend told you that the rate is so. No, it is not always like that. So always do your findings, browse before you go, so that you don't end up having unnecessary, conversation. So that's that about that. And I think I have, for those of you that are asking, okay, where can I get black market? Black market is not like, it's not really a market that is black. Yes, it's just like your normal market here.